finished up the GT2RS today. Last time you seen it, doors were off, needed some reassembly, and now we are complete. New Vossens on it. We've done the GT2RS hood stripe, pinstripes all around the car. Thing came out amazing. It does definitely look like a very Darth Vader look, right? I am your father. The stealth makes this black look so good, man. Porsche does a killer job on their paint, obviously, too. The silver wheels, though, it sets it off that much more. We like seeing some color pop on the wheels now, too. Luckily, he's not driving this car. We protected it, and he's towing it home, because how many miles does it have on it? About 50? So he wants to make sure it's not... Oh, look, another Porsche. We like Porsches around here, guys.
We've got Zayloose back for the 2022 race season. We're gonna be doing a whole new livery, although I am mildly depressed to see the old livery go away. I am excited for the new design, to change it up. He's got two of these, so they're gonna be kind of a flip-flop still, just like they were before, but different. Same, but different, and better, and improved, and different. I don't know. For those of you who don't know, this is a factory-built Lamborghini race car. So you can go to Lamborghini, you can order this, you can buy it. This is how it would come, cage and all. How much is this thing brand new?
They're $650.
$650?
Yeah.
And when you have one, you have to have two, right?
Yeah. Why have two when you can have four?
That's priceless.
And you gotta save the door. It's got Sven's face tats on it.
Oh, who drew those on?
One of my guys.
All right, Dalton, what we got going on?
So we got the Bullnicorn version 3 here. Our old designer did the first two, and then I kind of jumped in on this last one. They wanted to keep the same kind of style going because they have like a good reputation for that, so I kind of just kept it the same and changed some colors around. Changed the Bullnicorn around a little bit. The old one was kind of in that sideways position. I did this one, you know, top view, like he's like hanging onto the car and he's, you know, flying with the car, but no, just some subtle changes.
Bullnicorn. Hanging on for dear life. That's where the number plate goes, right?
Yeah, it usually goes like right here, so I wanted to leave some room, you know. He's used to me hanging on to it, so yeah, we'll see how it looks.
Our boys GT3 Lamborghini Huracan finished up for Zayloose Motorsports. He's got two of these and he's going to be dropping off his second one here in just the next 15 minutes. We're going to be wrapping that one to kind of be its opposite. Everything's going to be flipped on that one. They're getting ready for the race season. We actually have 3 more race cars coming in after his next one. So there's a total of 5 everybody's prepping for this season. It's pretty fun to be able to be a part of all of these cars. Again, this is a factory-built Lamborghini. You can go to Lamborghini, you can order this, and you would have yourself a complete Lamborghini race car that then you can compete in the GT3 class that they do all across America. It's pretty rad. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, let us know what you like, don't like about the videos, or like to see more of.